Hi everyone, let's make some mutton kofta in the easiest way possible. In a bowl, we'll add some mutton keema. To that, we'll add some jeera powder, dhania powder, turmeric powder, garam masala, and some generous amount of mustard oil. And lastly, we'll add some salt to it. Mix it well and keep it aside for refrigeration. Then for the masala, we'll use some onion, green chilies, ginger, garlic, and make a fine paste out of it for the
Watch me dance, dance the night away. My heart could be burning, but you won't see it on my face.
shoot that part. So then we'll heat up some oil and in a medium flame we'll fry the koftas and serve it as you like it. So for more such videos